Hey crocheters, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erin of Juniper Oakes, and this is section 5 of the Christmas in July blanket crochet-along. This is an overlay mosaic crochet pattern that crocheters around the world have been working on throughout the month of July. And today we start section 5. Section 5 is this Christmas trees and decorations section. This section was designed by Agat of Made by Gootie. We have been collaborating together in the past. You guys know her by now. I unfortunately was not able to chit chat with Agat because if you know anything about her, she lives in Israel and there are things going on in Israel right now. So it just wasn't really possible or feasible or even just, necessary to chat with her while all that's going on. So thank you all for understanding. I am going to include links to a bunch of different patterns from Agat. She's got lots of interesting corner to corner stitch patterns, not just the basic standard corner to corner, but some other interesting stitches that she works up corner to corner. They're amazing. I'm also going to link to some of her crochet-alongs because I know how much you guys love crochet-alongs. I think she could use all the support that she gets from us right now. So make sure you follow her on all the social medias, go check out her website, support her as much as you can. And I'm so glad that she was able to participate even from Israel in this crochet-along. Agat, we love you. Thanks for designing with us yet again. And just know that I and your crochet community are praying for you. Make sure that you like this video and then share it with a crochet friend so that they can get links to Agat's patterns and her website, and so that more of us can help support her. To find this section of the crochet-along, go to the landing page and scroll down until you find the section. Click the free pattern button and you'll be taken to the designer's website. If you want an ad-free printable version of the whole pattern right now, you can go ahead and buy the ebook. Links to that are here in the show notes. I'm so glad that Agat included a Christmas tree section of this blanket. As you heard in other conversations, many people's first idea was to do that and then they designed something else. So I'm glad Agat at least designed that, so we had a Christmas tree pattern in this blanket. I want to know what your Christmas tree traditions are. Do you and your family go out in the woods and cut down a Christmas tree? Do you buy one from the grocery store? Maybe you have a plastic one. Maybe you have no Christmas tree, and that's completely fine. I just want to get to know my crochet community, so let me know down below. Now that my family and I live in East Tennessee, near the Smoky Mountains, we go to this lovely little place like in the holler, and it's a family-run Christmas tree farm. Like, it's lovely. They even have a little farm where you can feed some of the animals like chickens and goats. Such a fun experience. Then we go back and we decorate the tree. I have these little children, so of course we have handmade little preschool ornaments. We've got really just a fun family Christmas tree. Last Christmas, my son learned how to crochet chains, and so he just spent some time crocheting chain, chain, chain. He did not want to learn how to do the second row. He's like, Mom, I'm just passing the time. And he was just chain, chain, chain. He made it long enough that we used it as garland for our Christmas tree. So that was just really fun to include that. That's a little bit about my Christmas traditions, and I'd love to get to know yours. Now go find section 5 of the crochet pattern, and let's work up these Christmas trees and Christmas decorations from Agat from Made by Gootie. Make sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel so you're notified when the next part of this crochet-along comes out. Happy crocheting!